Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Here we are in Italy at the Torre Espresso factory manufacturing facility. Here we have Andrea, the starter, founder, owner, marketeer, manufacturer, and the research and design officer of these wonderful and great espresso machines that bring you very, very good reliability. We're going to give you an inside peek when they're manufacturing these, and also some of the components that are used inside their machines. So we're going to get started, and just to let you know, my shirt says the espresso maker, making you espresso you cannot refuse. And that's one thing you can do with the Torre machines. You can make espresso that people, like your guests, customers, cannot refuse. So let's get started to this machine right here. Here we have the ergonomic lever that's being put on, right? And what is this thing back here?
The TSP board of the TSP system, you know, Torre Smart PID.
I know, but I don't think they know. So what is it about?
So it's the system that allows to manage 40 different temperature level of the machine. There is an algorithm inside to avoid overheating of the group. So you don't need to take a long flush to stabilize the temperature of the coffee machine, but the machine provides the same temperature without any problem.
And how about steam power? Because I notice similar machines sometimes are very weak on the steam.
Yes, but when you are in a low level of temperature level, you can quick press on the button and start the steam boost function.
Steam boost.
Steam boost. So machine go over 2 bar for 2 minutes maximum. If you want to stop the function before, you can quick press again.
And it stops.
And it stops.
And the temperature still stable.
Temperature stable is for that. We provide the maximum 2 minutes to avoid influence on the thermostability of the machine.
Okay. All right. And what about these valves? These look pretty big.
It is the same valve used in the professional machine.
Right. So professional grade.
What we produce is professional equipment in small size. All the effect.
Right. Right. So this little TSP thing right here controls all that.
Now is without cover because need to be adjust the position one by one.
And then you put a cover on it.
Yeah.
All right, good.
This is the first assembly station.
First assembly station. Okay. And then let's gonna move down there. I got some questions about the components inside these machines. So we'll move down here. So what is this piece right here?
This is the probe, the temperature probe. You see is very high level component.
Okay. And this wire right here, what is this for?
This is the level probe.
The level for the water.
For the water into the boiler. We use a copper boiler in this kind of machine because we need the temperature was transmitted very fast.
Okay.
Because it's not a multi-boiler machine, but we check the temperature into the boiler and we need, the copper transmission is more high than stainless steel.
Right.
So there is a reason we use a copper on this kind of machine.
Right. And what is this piece right here? What is this?
This is this piece integrates safety valve and anti-vacuum valve.
Okay. The anti-vacuum valve is for when you shut down the machine, it releases there is a vacuum that builds up and it releases so you can warm up the machine the next time around.
This is to avoid the blow pressure.
And this says 2.5 bars, so that's for the safety.
Yeah.
What is the maximum that the boiler can go to for the steam?
2.2,
2.2, so higher than some other machines out there. Okay, and then there's a piece way down here. What is that?
This is the OPV. Also, this valve is, check the size, is very big because we use professional components in the machine. Right,
professional grade. And I notice here, what I like GICAR because they make very, very good boards.
It's an Italian producer.
And we have yet to replace one board in 3 years on any of the Torre machines. So I do like that. And also I see here a big switch and a dual manometer. And then on this side, I notice right here, you have the SSR, or is that the water level sensor?
No, SSR. Water level sensor is on this side.
It's on this side, okay.
It's electronic.
And then that's the SSR, which looks like to be very high quality, because I noticed some other manufacturers choose very cheap Asian-made components.
We try to use a state of art in all the components of the machine.
Right.
Because for us, I repeat, for us, this is professional equipment in small size.
Right.
When you buy Torre coffee machine, you buy the state of the art of the coffee machine espresso maker.
And also the reliability and the durability for long-term use. So it's not a throwaway machine, a machine that you can repair and have long-term use, 5, 10, 15 years. And that's what we at First Line like. We don't like the throwaway machines that are $200-$300, because you're going to spend $200-$300 every few years when you could have had a very good machine to start and also produce better espresso, cappuccino, and latte. And I know you can't see on the camera here, but there's actually behind the group head lever, there's a switch to turn on the pump and open the group head. There's a switch here with a rolling pin that basically it gives very smooth activation. A lot of them are just a push. This actually has a roller, so it makes it smoother, and I find that these typically last longer. Well, I appreciate all your information, Andrea. Thank you for inviting us here to the factory and actually seeing some open machines that are in the production line. This is just a sample, and watch for another video, because we're going to show you. He's got a pretty good sized warehouse here, a fairly young company, but a very strong company with a lot of inquiries and a lot of growing distributors around the world. In fact, in the USA, this is a growing brand where the competition is now taking notice, because that's what we do best. We work with quality equipment, and that's what we want to be known for at First Line. Thank you for watching. Once again, Andrea, Java Jim with First Line Equipment, thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Coffee first, everything else second, and most importantly, make an espresso that no one can refuse.